Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and for today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, we're unboxing our June 2020 premium box. So if you're interested in what I got, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my box is super heavy this month. I'm gonna leave the weight and the variation of my box down in the description if anyone is curious. I know a lot of people always ask for that, so I am gonna leave it down below. I did go ahead and cut my box open, but I have not looked inside. This is how it is right now. I'm gonna take out the card. The theme for the month is Oasis. Cute card. Okay, I'm gonna put the card to the side because it tells you everything that's on it. Now with the premium box, you do get 6 full-size items, and it is $35 a month, and it is a subscription that you can do monthly or you can pay out for the year. So the first thing I'm gonna grab in the box is going to be this, which I'm okay to get this. I know I complain about getting skincare in the box, but Glow Recipe and Murad are the two brands that I really like, alongside Elemis and Tula, that I don't mind getting in the box, depending what the item is. Now, this is a Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, moisturizing and firming. I love retinol. I think it's amazing, and it does work very well for your skin. This has a seal, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. Now, when it comes to Glow Recipe, they have the cutest packaging ever. It's always like a glass jar, which I love because it makes it feel more luxurious. It comes with like a little clear plastic thing on top. Which I'm gonna keep because I'm gonna put it back over it. It really doesn't have a scent, which is weird because Glow Recipe stuff usually has some type of scent. This is what it looks like. It literally looks like a very light mashed up avocado. It really doesn't have a scent, in my opinion. Now, this is basically just a sleeping mask. So you would do all of your skincare before you go to bed. And then this is your very final step, is to put this on over everything else. Let me read you what the card says. Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado exfoliating PHA and a gentle form of retinol. Super gentle yet effective mask. Works to improve skin elasticity, reveal smoother, hydrated skin. Wash off in the morning. I enjoy doing these. These are really the only types of masks that I can do, so I enjoy these. And retail value for this baby is $49. So I'm very happy to get that. Next thing in the box is going to be a brush. And the plastic thing that it's in looks really disgusting, just so everybody's aware. Really disgusting. So it's a double-sided brush. It feels very soft, but it's very flimsy. So it's not like a stippling brush. It's very flimsy. See that? This side is a little bit better, but not much. Let's see. Let's see what the card says. $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour side, which is the fat side. Densely packed. No, sweetheart. This is not densely packed. Yeah, it has a lot of hairs, but that's not a dense brush. Like, no. But okay. I'm gonna give you my real opinion on everything. So that's one thing you guys will know about me. You continue to watch my videos. I am not gonna BS around, okay? Look how Look when it bends very easily. Dense brushes do not do that. Densely packed angled brush applies to target areas and then busts and blends for a sculpted look. This is supposed to be a highlighting brush. That's too small for highlight, in my opinion. In my personal opinion. Tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. What I would use this for: contour, 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 and contour. I would not use this for highlight. Although I would use it in my light powder to highlight this area. To bronze and contour here. And retail value for this brush, are you ready for it? It's $30. $30 brush. $1 billion brows. So I always like to get brushes. So I'll take it. Next thing in the box is this, and it is Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Notes of Sardinian, mircho, lemongrass, and wild orange, and it's made in Italy. Let's give her a smellaroo. Oh, I kind of like it. It smells like lemon. It smells like a cleaning supply. That's what it is. It smells like the Lysol lemon cleaner. But okay, it's body wash. It's always good to have a body wash. Oh, somebody comes over, forgot their soap. Oh, here you go. No problem. They're staying the night. We have body wash. Skin & Co. Shower Gel. Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers and a vibrant Sardinian summer night, the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of pressed myrtle flowers and berries, runs through the cobblestones of the street. Free of parabens, mineral oils, all that good stuff. It's a limited edition shower gel to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. Retail value is $22. And this is a 7.7 fluid ounce bottle. So not even an 8-ounce bottle. But always good to have. But would I pay $22 for a 7-ounce bottle of body wash? Absolutely not. Next thing in the box, I am not happy about. In my beauty profile, this is something I tell them that I never want. Okay, just so everybody is clear. I give these shits away every single month because every month they keep giving them to me and I don't know what else to do. Like, I've emailed them and told them, listen, I told y'all in my beauty profile, I don't use this product. I do not need it in my box. Stop giving me variations with this in my box. With that said, this is this is not even KVD. This is back when it was Kat Von D. So is this close to expiring? Who the hell knows? Okay. Besides that, Kat Von D Inkwell Liner Long Wear Matte Eyeliner, and at least this time it's in black. The last one I got was bright friggin' blue. And you know what kills me? On the card, they're putting KVD. No, honey, this is Kat Von D. This is not a new formula. This is not a new branded box. It's back when it was Kat Von D. Does it matter? Not really, but just putting it out there. The most bulletproof matte eyeliner yet. Innovative formula sets the bar with higher and extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistant performance, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades in a one swipe matte opacity. No layering needed. I literally have still the Hank and Henry eyeliner that we got months and months ago because I don't use it. So somebody will be receiving this in a giveaway. That retails for $20. Would I ever pay $20 for an eyeliner? Absolutely not, because I don't wear eyeliner. I'm sure it's an excellent eyeliner. I'm sure it's excellent. I just don't wear it, and I let them know I don't wear it. Next thing in my box is going to be Lashaholic Lashes. So I'm okay to get these. I'm happy to get these. And the box is hella cute. Look at all the glitter. Yes. Okay. So these Lashaholic luxury lashes they're real, I swear. 100% silk lashes created on a light, soft cotton band that will leave your eyes loving you. Made with a light crisscross pattern and tapered at the ends for a natural glam look. They retail for $14.99. Let's see if you can see the style. I'm gonna take them out so maybe we could see them on a better background on my hand. Yeah, there we go. So these are really pretty lashes, and they're very light and wispy looking. The band looks a little bit thick, but I'm sure I can make it happen. But they are very pretty lashes. Very pretty lashes. So I'm happy to get that, and plus the box is super cute. Look at how cute the box is. I have never received lashes in any of my Boxycharm boxes, so that is a first for me. I mean, if they would send me more lashes and less eyeliner, I think I would be a little bit more of a happy camper with them. So got these, and those are beautiful for $14.99. Last item in the box that I'm so excited for. The Too Faced Coco Contour Palette. I will take any contour palette you're willing to give me, to be completely honest. Damn, this thing is heavy. This is what the beautiful packaging looks like, and it's very soft on the front. It has like that weird satiny finish. It's cool. I like it. Let's open it up. I hate that it's so hard to open. Okay. So it does come with a mirror. It does not fold all the way back. These are the contour shades. And the top row, it says highlight. Well, it'll be bottom because I'm trying not to blind you with my mirror. But these are highlight shades, it says. So this one here is for light. This one is for medium. And this one is for deep. This one, I think I can actually use it as like a blush. And I can definitely use these two. I definitely think I can actually... I think this one is really light for my skin tone. I don't think it will really do anything. But these two for sure. I really like those. I can like contour and bronze up with those for sure. And yes, girl. It smells like chocolate. So we got that. And in the box also comes this little booklet. And it says How to Glamour Guide. And it says Sculpt Me, baby. And it just shows you basically how to contour. It gives you little tips and tricks, which is really cute. Oh, and it gives you for different skin tones. So that's really nice. So here's the light one. And it tells you what shades to use for you. Here's the medium tone. And here's the dark tone. So that's cool. Especially for somebody who's new to makeup or doesn't really know how to contour and things like that. That's amazing to get. So I like that. Let's read you what the card says. Too Faced Coco Contour Palette. Lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with this easy contouring palette you'll ever experience. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffused, subtle contour and natural look. And it retails for $44. The variation that I have gotten this month is variation number 34. and I'm gonna go ahead and let you know. I'm gonna add these up and let you know what the total of my box is. Okay, so I totaled up everything in my box and it comes to $179.99. So like I said before, this is a $35 box and we got a value of $180. So I think that's a deal. I'm happy that they're actually, even though I'm unhappy about eyeliner, it's makeup, makeup item, makeup. So at least this month I got 4 items that are makeup, a body wash, and 1 skincare. At least our makeup subscriptions are giving us makeup this month. They have definitely stepped it up this month. I can go ahead and say that. I have watched some people's unboxings and I see they're getting repeat items. And it's kind of a bummer. I feel like they're throwing little things like this in there to add variations. Yes, it's a business. Yes, I know he has to make money. I totally get it. But don't you think you're pissing your customers off just a little bit? I don't know. But this month has definitely stepped it up. I'm very happy to get makeup this month and some lashes. Like I said, I got variation 34 this month, $179 and a $35 box. Let me know down below if we were box twins, and if we weren't, what did you get similar to me and what did you get different than I? So until the next video, guys, I love you all and stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Join the family today. Hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.